Now, another thing unique to these houses is what we call knob and tube wiring. For example, here's an example of what they call the knob, and this electrical wire, and this is just old original wire. It's a copper wire, but it's insulated with a cloth material. It would come down, it would tie into this knob and then go out to the switch or whatever outlet or fixture. So this knob just held it in place against the stud. The tube is an example of it's right here. You see the white part of the tube. Now these copper wires, they couldn't become in contact with the wood because they're carrying a current, so they'd pass through this ceramic tube that was placed through the wood. So they drill a hole in the wood, put the ceramic tube in, then run the copper wire, then re-insulate it, run it down to this knob, and then from the knob it would go out to a switch or an outlet. So it's called knob and tube wiring. Lots of fire damage or lots of ability for buildings to catch on fire with this. It was very unsafe. If anything came into contact with these sometimes bare wires or these poorly insulated wires, rats would chew through them and it could start a fire in the house very easily. Actually, this house is uninsurable right now because of the knob and tube wiring in it. Of course, we're going to renovate it all and replace it all with building code standard Romex.